Hello everyone, if you want to find information for stuff like the name, gender, say, position and location, just type the ID. For example, I put number 2, it will get the information from the number 2 automatically. I have ton of information, so if you want to find it quick, let me show you how to do that. So first we have the data right here. So let me delete all this and then just type VLOOKUP right here. So this VLOOKUP, okay, lookup, and open it. So the value we want looking for, lookup value right here. So select this one and array table right here, right, all right here, all of the data right there. So we press F4 to lock it, and then when we move to another one, it's okay. And then the column index where you want. So first the name, so 1 and 2, so number 2 right there. And then we use fail, mean exact number, and then we take it. Something simple like that. So we got it. For number 2, this one, right? So we can just drag right here and change. Okay, so let's lock this one too. F4, and then we just drag it. It will be the same. And here we want gender, so gender in numbers, column number 3. So we put number 3 right there. And here number 4, and here number 5, right? Simple like that. You want column number 10, so number 10 right here. Illegal mail custom service CA location. So you can put any number 9. You got it. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have